What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1963 Buick Riviera. Man, look at this car. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. First off, this paint on this car has me surprised. This paint is gorgeous. There's barely any flaws on it, and I'll tell you the flaws as I walk around the car. Right here, light scratch, and a chip there, and a chip there. That is it that I've seen. I'm sure there's little scratches here and there, but nothing serious. Oh, and then a little dent right here. And then looks like they could have wet sanded it better right there. But other than that, the paint job is really, really clean. I got it running right now. It runs great. It's got a nice little rumble to it. Well, not even really a rumble. It's really quiet, but it sounds great. I mean, the engine itself, with the engine bay, is louder. There's a little bit of condensation coming out of the exhaust. That's normal. As you can see, it runs good. Sounds like there's a tiny exhaust leak. That's about it. I'm going to tell you what works and what doesn't. Power windows, all of them work. Some of them a little slow, but they work. Horn inoperable. Tilt steering wheel, it's there, works. Ashtray right there. Your cigarette lighter, I'll go ahead and say this doesn't work, but I don't know. Who's going to use that anyway? I wouldn't smoke in this car. Just some papers in there, and your protection plate and owner's guide, I believe. Looks like there's no protection plate in here, but that is it. That's all I can really see in here. Looks like there's another part, like a socket for a light. That's it. That's all. Other than that, really, really nice. I mean, the interior is pretty much flawless. Headliner's in great shape. Body's in great shape. Power seat works. Let's go ahead and turn the lights on. Wipers, let's test those. They do work. Headlights work. One tail light is out. Figured I'd let you know. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Turn the battery on. Radio, you hear it. Let's try the antenna. Power antenna. See that thing working? Look at how high it goes, too. Look at how high that is. Wow. Let's go look for a station here. I'm inside, so it's not going to pick up very good. Radio works great. Not the best sounding radio, but it works great. And then here's your trunk release there. I actually have the trunk open, so. And look, like I said, look at how high that antenna goes. That's insane. Let's go put the antenna down. Don't want to leave it up that high. But how cool is that? Power antenna, that works. With the original AM/FM radio, that works. Your vents, your climate controls, I tried them earlier. I don't think they work. I don't know. I didn't hear anything kick on. Like I said, don't hear a fan or anything, a blower motor. So, gives me reason to believe that it does not work. In the back here, no idea what this is. I think a mat for where the spare tire goes. You got your jack and some extra trim pieces right here. Trunk's really clean. Trunk floor is clean. I mean, this is actually a really clean car, really nice car. Body lines up great, everything works. Hey, I'd own this car and I'd have fun with it. This thing drives great, runs great. Let's try the trunk release. Maybe. Nothing seems to be happening, so I will say that that is not working. Other than that, pretty much everything works. Turn the lights are off. Close that. And on these cars, reverse is all the way at the bottom. So something you might find interesting. Let's go ahead, close this hood. Closes nicely, lines up great. Listen, everybody, if you're interested in this car, give us a call, 847-848-1850. Man, what a great example of one of these cars. What we have it priced at, we have it priced pretty good. Because this car has very little flaws and presents itself very well. You can drive it anywhere and bring it to a car show and maybe take home a trophy, because the paint work is really nice. The body is really straight. Just a really nice car. Vinyl top's in great shape. No bubbling, nothing like that. So you don't have to worry about that. These bezels have a little bit of pitting. You can't get them anymore. So whenever somebody restored the car, they probably couldn't find new ones. Anyways, like I said, extremely, extremely nice car for what it is. Give us a call, 847-848-1850, or visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in our beautiful warehouse. Here it is. If I didn't say it already, we have special financing, great monthly payments, shipping all over the United States, open and closed, bonded and insured. So give us a call. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. This car is here ready for you, and it's waiting. So take it home. And remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Mr. Jenkins out. Bye-bye.